Hello and welcome to my channel. Getting boring generic answers from AI? Yeah, I've been there. You type something in and what you get back is just meh. It's fine, but it's not great, right? There's no spark, none of that insight you were actually looking for. You know the AI is smart, but you just can't seem to get it to work for you. Here's the thing. The difference between a meh response and a mind-blowing one isn't the AI, it's you. It all comes down to the quality of your instructions. So, what's the real problem? Most of us treat AI like a glorified search engine. We ask a vague question, and we get a vague answer. If your prompts are unclear, you'll get weak, unfocused responses. It's not the AI's fault, it's just following orders. Garbage in, garbage out, right? People call this prompt engineering, but don't let that fancy term scare you off. All it really means is learning how to give better instructions. Think of yourself as a manager. A great manager gives clear, detailed directions to get the best work from their team. That's exactly what we're going to do with AI. I've spent years tinkering with this, and I've boiled it all down to a simple but super powerful framework that completely changed the game for me. I call it the PACT framework. It's an easy acronym to help you remember all the key ingredients for a perfect prompt. PACT stands for P. Persona. Who should the AI pretend to be? A. Action. What exactly do you want it to do? C. Context. What important background info does it need? T. Tone and type. What should it sound like and what format should it be in? By using this structure, you don't leave any room for guessing and you guide the AI toward a much better result. All right, let's put this into practice. Imagine you need to promote a new product. The typical before prompt would be something like, write a marketing email. And what do you get? Something so bland and generic it's completely unusable. Total waste of time. Now let's use the PSCT framework and see what happens. First, P for persona. We don't want just any writer, we'll tell it. Act as a world-class email marketing strategist known for high-converting launch campaigns. Next, A for action. Be specific, write a promotional email. Then, C for context. Now we give it the juicy details. The email is for existing customers. The product is the morning mug, a new smart coffee mug that keeps beverages at a perfect user-set temperature for 3 hours. Our target audience is busy, tech-savvy professionals who value quality and convenience. Finally, T for tone and type. How should it sound and look? The tone should be enthusiastic, innovative, and slightly exclusive. The output type should be a ready-to-send HTML email, including a compelling subject line, a pre-header, and a clear call-to-action button that says, "Claim my early access." See the difference? The first one is a lazy request. The second one is a professional brief. The result you'll get from the PACT prompt is going to be infinitely better because you gave it clear, structured directions. Okay, here's a pro tip to really level up. Once you nail a prompt, you don't have to start from scratch every time. The real secret to working faster is turning your best prompts into reusable templates. You just create placeholders for the parts that change. Think of it like a Mad Libs for AI. If we look at our last prompt, we can just replace the specific details with brackets. Yeah, for example, act as a world-class email marketing strategist. Write a promotional email for our product and product name, which is a product description. Our target audience is target audience. Now you have a template you can copy and paste. Just plug in the new details for your next product launch, and you'll save a ton of time while getting consistent, high-quality results. And that's really all there is to it. The secret isn't about finding some magic prompt online. It's about having a framework that lets you build the perfect prompt for yourself every single time. By defining the persona, action, context, and tone and type, you're the one in the driver's seat. So, start building your own library of PACT prompts. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more AI tips. And I've got a question for you. What's the most frustrating thing you've ever tried to get an AI to do? Drop your story in the comments, I'd love to read it. Now go make something awesome.